You got a new iPhone, you're ready to put it in a case. Well, here's my choice for a good case for the iPhone mini. This is the Otterbox Defender Pro series. And I think this case will stand apart from other cases because a lot of cases offer protection, but I personally like the Otterbox cases for the grip that they give, and then they really do have good drop protection. Now, obviously, I have a lot of cases out there, and a lot of case manufacturers say that they have drop protection on their cases. And honestly, I actually just put one to the test, not by choice, but I dropped my Galaxy Z Fold 2, and it dropped it from about 5 feet, and it actually survived, but it was in a rinky case, the little thin case. So, thank goodness. But this iPhone mini is small enough to where you can put a kind of a big bulky case on here. So this is the advantage that some people who have the iPhone mini could actually use a case like this. Now, I don't put insurance on my devices. I just buy them straight out, and I'll just take the risk, as they say. I'll just buy it again if I have to. But overall, I've dropped several phones, and the iPhones that I dropped that weren't in a case, they all shattered immediately. So to offset that, when I'm using an iPhone or some other phones, I predominantly go to Otterbox for like serious drop protection. And with this phone being so small, it's definitely going to really feel just about the same. This is a small body, but it's all screen. So I originally put a white stone dome on here, but I started to have touch sensitivity issues. The screen wasn't being recognized with that white stone dome for some reason, but I will be putting a different screen protector on here because this is definitely going to be able to have the case itself can handle other screen protectors. So look out for that. But I almost dropped it. But I still think that Otterbox makes some of the best cases, and I like how this one is here. You can see the camera is deeply recessed now. It's way down in there. I really like that. I think that that's something that Otterbox cases do well, and other cases have it too, but I just like how theirs is set up. And then if you look at the case itself, the big lips that it has, I think that's important for me. Hopefully that's in focus. I don't have my external viewfinder hooked up, but I think that overall, if you're looking for a case for the iPhone mini in particular, yeah, you have a ton of choices. But I am going to go on record and definitely recommend this one. I really like how this feels. This is the Defender Pro series. And you might think, well, Jay, that's a bulky case. Not for this little phone. I mean, the body of the phone is little, but it's just all screen. So I think that if you're a person who doesn't buy insurance on your phones, I don't recommend insurance. Some people if you're very accident prone, get the insurance. That's your choice. I don't buy insurance. And I like to put an Otterbox on iPhones because for that reason, they break really easy. So some would argue that this phone won't break really easy, that I'm taking away from the color, I'm taking away from the feel. That's fine. Obviously, I'm hiding the color, but you can still kind of see the color is fine for a little bit, but really it's about functionality at this point. And then the thickness of the phone, it's only a little bit bigger with this case on it because this phone is so small. So there you have it, man. The Otterbox Defender Pro. I highly recommend that you get the Pro. It's really awesome. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't really do an unboxing or anything like that, like a special unboxing. I wanted to talk about it after using it because I was curious about this case on this phone, but I knew it was going to be good. Like feel in hand, I can throw this in my pocket still, and it doesn't feel too big or anything. So there you have it, folks. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.